Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylish channel. Adventure riders around the world are always seeking new challenges and experiences, and the BMW R 1250 GS Adventure Trophy is designed to meet their demands. This bike offers a powerful engine, versatile chassis, advanced electronics, and a striking design that captures the essence of the GS Trophy. Whether you're planning a long-distance tour, an off-road excursion, or a daily commute, the BMW R 1250 GS Adventure Trophy is a bike that can take you there and back with style and confidence. The BMW R 1250 GS Adventure Trophy is a special edition of the popular adventure bike that celebrates the BMW Motorrad International GS Trophy, a biennial competition for amateur riders. The bike features a distinctive design with a white, blue, and red color scheme, a trophy logo on the tank, and a number plate on the front. The bike also comes with some exclusive features that enhance its off-road performance and comfort, such as cross-spoke wheels, a rally seat, a sport windshield, radiator and engine guards, hand protectors, and LED auxiliary lights. The BMW R 1250 GS Adventure Trophy is based on the standard R 1250 GS Adventure, which means it shares the same engine, chassis, and electronics. The engine is a liquid-cooled boxer twin with variable valve timing that produces 136 horsepower and 105 lb-ft of torque. The chassis is a tubular steel frame with a Telelever front suspension and a Paralever rear suspension, both with electronic adjustment. The electronics include 4 riding modes: traction control, hill start control, cornering ABS, and cruise control. The bike also has a 7.9-gallon fuel tank, a 6.5-inch TFT display with connectivity, a keyless ride system, and an adjustable windscreen. Some of the advantages of the BMW R 1250 GS Adventure Trophy are: it is a powerful and smooth engine that can handle any terrain and speed. It is a versatile and comfortable chassis that can adapt to different road conditions and rider preferences. It is a comprehensive and user-friendly electronics package that enhances safety and convenience. It is a large fuel tank that allows for long-distance riding without frequent stops. It is a unique and attractive design that stands out from other adventure bikes. Some of the disadvantages of the BMW R 1250 GS Adventure Trophy are: it is a heavy and bulky bike that can be difficult to maneuver in tight spaces and low speeds. It is an expensive bike that costs more than most of its competitors. It is a high seat height that can be challenging for shorter riders. It is a limited availability as it is only produced in small numbers for select markets. It may require more maintenance and care than other bikes due to its complex engine and electronics. The BMW R 1250 GS Adventure Trophy is a bike that appeals to adventurous riders who want to explore new places and challenge themselves. It is also a bike that showcases the heritage and spirit of the BMW Motorrad International GS Trophy, which is a prestigious event for amateur riders who share a passion for adventure. The bike offers a high level of performance, comfort, and technology that makes it one of the best adventure bikes on the market. However, it also comes with some drawbacks that may deter some riders who prefer lighter, cheaper, or simpler bikes. Ultimately, the BMW R 1250 GS Adventure Trophy is a bike that requires commitment and dedication from its owner, but also rewards them with an unforgettable riding experience. Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.